Ever felt like you're drowning in spreadsheets, your business data scattered like puzzle pieces in a hurricane? You know you need a powerful enterprise resource planning (ERP) system, something like NetSuite, but then that nagging question pops up, do I need to be a coding wizard to use it? Seriously, think about it. You're a business owner, a manager, a finance professional, not a software developer. You've got enough on your plate without having to decipher lines of cryptic code. You've heard NetSuite is this all-in-one cloud solution, capable of handling everything from financials and inventory to CRM and e-commerce. It promises efficiency, streamlined operations, and data-driven decisions. But if it demands coding expertise, is it really worth the investment? Let's cut through the jargon and get real. You've probably encountered software that boasts customization, but translates to hire a programmer for 6 months. That's not what we're aiming for here. We want a system that empowers us, not one that turns us into reluctant coders. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's establish a baseline. What exactly is NetSuite? In its simplest form, it's a cloud-based ERP solution designed to manage and automate core business processes. Imagine having a single, unified platform that integrates all your critical data, giving you a real-time view of your entire operation. Sounds good, right? But here's where the coding question resurfaces. You've heard about scripting, workflows, and customizations. Are these just fancy terms for coding? And if so, how much coding are we talking about? The truth is, NetSuite offers a wide range of functionalities that require absolutely no coding. Think of the core modules: financials, inventory management, CRM, and e-commerce. These are designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces and drag-and-drop features. You can configure settings, create reports, and manage data without writing a single line of code. For instance, setting up your chart of accounts, creating customer records, or processing sales orders. These are all standard NetSuite functionalities that don't require coding. You can customize dashboards, create saved searches, and generate reports using simple point-and-click tools. NetSuite provides pre-built templates and workflows that cater to a wide range of business needs. Think of it like building with Lego bricks. You're using pre-designed components to create a structure without having to manufacture the bricks yourself. You can customize the structure to fit your specific needs, but the fundamental building blocks are already there. However, and this is a crucial point, NetSuite is also incredibly flexible. It's designed to adapt to the unique needs of your business. As your business grows and evolves, you might need to customize certain processes or integrate with other systems. That's where scripting and workflows come into play. NetSuite uses SuiteScript, a JavaScript-based scripting language, for advanced customizations. This allows developers to extend the functionality of NetSuite, automate complex processes, and integrate with third-party applications. But here's the key. You don't need to be a coding expert to leverage these capabilities. NetSuite provides a visual workflow editor that allows you to create and manage workflows without writing code. You can use drag-and-drop tools to define steps, conditions, and actions, effectively automating business processes. For example, you can create a workflow that automatically sends a reminder to a customer when their invoice is overdue or triggers an alert when inventory levels fall below a certain threshold. Furthermore, NetSuite offers a vast library of pre-built scripts and customizations that you can use as templates. You can often find solutions to common business challenges without having to write code from scratch. Think of it as using a recipe. You might need to make some adjustments to suit your taste, but the fundamental ingredients and instructions are already there. Now let's address the elephant in the room. When might you need coding expertise? If you require highly customized integrations with other systems, complex business logic, or unique user interfaces, you'll likely need to engage a NetSuite developer. These developers are experts in SuiteScript and can build custom solutions tailored to your specific needs. For example, if you need to integrate NetSuite with a legacy system that uses a proprietary API, you'll need a developer to write custom scripts to handle the data exchange. Similarly, if you need to create a highly customized e-commerce storefront with unique features and functionalities, you'll need a developer to build custom components. But even in these cases, NetSuite provides a robust development environment and extensive documentation to support developers. NetSuite also has a robust partner ecosystem. This means you can find a NetSuite partner that can provide the expertise and support you need. So, to summarize, core functionalities. You don't need coding for standard NetSuite functionalities like financials, inventory, CRM, and e-commerce. Basic customizations. NetSuite provides visual tools and pre-built templates for basic customizations and workflows, requiring minimal to no coding. Advanced customizations. For highly customized integrations and complex business logic, you might need coding expertise. Partner ecosystem. NetSuite has a strong partner ecosystem to support you with development and implementation. Think of it like buying a car. You can drive it off the lot and use it for your daily commute without knowing how to build an engine. But if you want to customize the engine for racing or add a unique feature, you'll need a mechanic. The key takeaway is that NetSuite is designed to be accessible to a wide range of users, regardless of their coding expertise. You can leverage the core functionalities and basic customizations without writing a single line of code. And when you need advanced customizations, you can engage a NetSuite developer or partner to provide the expertise you need. Don't let the fear of coding hold you back from exploring the power of NetSuite. It's a versatile and powerful ERP solution that can transform your business. Focus on understanding your business needs and leveraging the tools and resources available to you. Remember, NetSuite is about empowering your business, not turning you into a software developer. It's about providing you with the tools and insights you need to make informed decisions and drive growth. And while coding can enhance the system, it's not a prerequisite for success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.